Hi guys, I am Miss Fowler. I teach U.S. History and Advanced U.S. History. I also teach journalism in Yearbook. I am the sponsor for the Yearbook. This is my second year here at South Belton doing that. I did it for a couple years also in Killeen, so I do have a lot of experience with the creation of Yearbook. The teaching that's a new thing this year, so they're kind of learning as I'm learning, and we're in this together. As far as teaching history, this is not my first year. This is altogether my 8th year teaching U.S. history. I taught it in the college setting. I've taught high school, so I taught the second half in AP as well as psychology. And this is my 5th year teaching middle school. I've taught U.S. history. I've also taught Texas history. I've taught the pre-AP U.S. history. And honestly, history is like my biggest passion in the world. I absolutely love it. As I said, my name is Miss Fowler. It's Tabetha Fowler. I am originally from Tennessee, as you can see. I am a big football fan. I have lots of loves in life. History just happens to be one of those. I enjoy teaching in middle school. Middle school is very different. The kids are kind of quirky, and I really like that about them. They kind of understand my sense of humor, and it makes it for a lot of fun some days. This is, like I said, my first year teaching Yearbook and journalism, so we're in this together. Journalism is going to be a lot of introduction to journalism and what it is, as well as the students helping create the yearbook throughout the year. I have a bachelor's of arts in history. My main focus was colonial history with an emphasis in Native American and African American history. And I have a master's of arts in teaching social studies. So I actually know, I learned how to actually teach all of the social studies. And I went to school at Cal U, which is in Pennsylvania. It's California University of Pennsylvania. I am going back in January to start my principal program to start working towards my Doctor of Education. If you ever need me, I am in Route 249. My email is tabetha.fowler@bisd.net. You can always call my phone. It will not ring during the school day, but you can leave me a message. It's 254-215-3084. I'm always here to help you or to help your students. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I am always happy to help if I can. And so U.S. history starts at colonization. So we talk about the Spanish, the French. We go all the way through. We talk about the majority of the wars, the French and Indian War, the Revolutionary War. We cover the Civil War, the War of 1812, which everybody seems to forget about because it was, not that big of a deal and to many people. We talk about Reconstruction, so how to, fix the country after the Civil War. In journalism, we're going to focus a lot on the introduction of what journalism is. Your kids are going to do a lot of writing in this class. Not something they're super thrilled about so far, but we'll get there. If there's ever a question, everything is on Schoology. You can always find it. If you can't find it, something's not working, let me know and I will get it fixed. As you can see, I had to get my fall motif. I love this time of year. I love all things fall. And a little about me, my husband is a veteran. He works in healthcare on Fort Hood. He works with the Army now. He used to be in the Army, but that life is over. So right now, I have 2 daughters. I have a 21-year-old and a 20-year-old. My youngest daughter is, working, doing the thing. And my oldest daughter and her husband are expecting their first baby in May. So yes, I'm going to be a grandmother. That's my fun fact of the day because I found out yesterday. I have lived in multiple different states. I've lived in Tennessee, which is where I was born and raised. I've lived in Mississippi. I've lived in Hawaii, Texas, Pennsylvania. I love to travel. I've lived in Europe. I got to live in England when I was younger. So traveling and the open-mindedness that comes with living in a lot of different places has really helped me as an educator. And I will always be inclusive of all your kiddos. And if there's ever a problem and it needs to be addressed, please contact me because I will do everything I can to make it right and to try to help you and your student with whatever they're struggling with. So that's it. That's me. And I look forward to having your kid this year. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. And again, if you need anything, please let me know.